Hi, how are you? Today we are going to learn how we can add a group in the menu with our name, our customized group, our own group of options. Every group has some options, like view has this options, data has this option. So we can add a group with our name, and we can put our own options in there. So let's go. For this we have to go to options, and then we'll go to customize ribbon, and then here this is the menu. Basically, look, background, home, insert, this, these are the menu items. First we have to create a new tab with our name. I'm going to rename this tab, but firstly I have to give an icon to this tab. So this is an icon, so I want to rename this. This is my group. Yeah, my group, my tab, baba. Okay, in this group we can add options from this. Here are the commands. So I'm going to click on all commands. So these commands are alphabetically ordered over here. For example, I want to put a command of auto filter. No, put a command of auto sum in it. Okay, then I want to add the command of calculator over here, camera. So I'm just randomly selecting some commands to show you in the group. Let's move forward. Find uncommon command which is not by default visible on the menu. So let's come to corrections and crop picture, and that's all. So when you press OK, you will see a group of your name, new tab. I didn't rename that tab, so that's why the name is here, new tab, but the group name is my group, and these are the commands I have in it. So this has been added. So let me check if we can change the menu name also. Customize ribbon, new tab. So rename the tab my own tab. Okay, so now you can see my own tab, which has my own group of commands. So I can add the commands in it, as many as I want. So I can add many groups over here. So this is a small video to tell you how you can add a customized group in your own tab in the menu. So you can, for example, why we want to do this, because every group have every tab have particular commands, related commands, but you want some 3 or 4 commands from different groups into one group or into one tab. So you can create your own tab, and you can add commands from other tabs into your own tab. So this is the method. I summarize. Just you need to go to more, and then options, and then over here customize ribbon. Here you will create a tab, rename it, then create a group, rename it, and then add commands in it. Whatever the command you will add, it will be start visible in your group. Okay, you can add more commands in it like this, or you can remove any added command from it like this. Just select and click on remove. So in this way you can add any command from the given commands. Over here I told you in the all commands there are many one, so you can select any one and add in it.